Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna do another unboxing video. So I'm gonna unbox a Busy Day with Fluffy the kitten and two Scene with puppets. And this is a unicorn and this is a princess and prince. So first let's unbox this. Okay. Oh, it says including playmat and figures for hours of fun. Okay, let's try it. Oh, there is like a cute starry thing. It's like there's a story. Yeah. And, oh, here is the mat, the placemat. There's the mat, and this is, you know. Oh my gosh, there are toy figures too. Look, it's like there's this doggy. There are cats, dogs, cats, and the poodle? Okay, there are, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, what? Oh, there are 8. Okay. Now let's try. Okay, let's try to play with it. So, play with it in the floor, in our floor. And let's see how big is the mat. So guys, it's time to unbox the Scene with puppets. So I am gonna do the unicorn first, and let's play it. And I'm also gonna do the princess after. Okay, let's do it on the floor again. So next is we are gonna open the princess and play with it. So guys, I am done with doing the unboxing video. So I'll see you guys later, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss any videos if I post something new. So see you guys later. Bye.